Hey everybody, Dominic here. I'm just standing on my front porch. It's a rainy Saturday, so you can see the porch there behind me. Um, so I'm just gonna go stop by my parents' house and then go visit my friend Joe, who lives about a 30-minute drive away. And I'll just show you what I do sometimes on a normal Saturday. Okay, join me. Okay, so I'm just getting here on 22, and you can see that it's all backed up. You might think this is because of the rain, but this is a normal, everyday occurrence on 22. A lot of people in the Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania call 22 a parking lot. Hey, it's Dominic here. I'm just at Starbucks. There's my friend Joe. So just got my Starbucks, and it's still pretty rainy outside, so we're gonna get in the car in a second and do a little bit of shopping. Okay, we're gonna head into the store at home. This is an old Kmart turned into a home goods store. So I'll show you once we get inside. Also, a big thing now is getting trees for Halloween. So you can see this black one here, and then people are getting ornaments for it. So. So it's never ending, just Christmas decorations, more Christmas trees out here, and then you'll see like all the Halloween stuff. Boo! They have even more stuff than last year. Yeah, you can go crazy with all the stuff you're gonna buy. They even have this too. It's like a trembling snowman. I think it's cold or scared or something. This is a snowman pajama family. You could get clothes like this, like the black and red checkered, and then dress like this snowman family. And we have a little cute little like puppy dog here. Okay, so we're getting near. We need a picture frame for two different pictures. So we're gonna look down here and just sort of see. All these plants are fake. Look at this one here. Okay, that's okay. I like the cat there with the sunglasses. And that cat, it's listening to, I think, an iPod. A cow drinking milk. Okay, well. Okay, so there was probably 30 aisles of pictures, but we're getting here to the picture frames. So let's take a look. Okay, we found the winning photo frames with a black mat around instead of a white mat around. So these should look pretty good for Joe's poster. Now we're at Goodwill, and I'm in the game aisle. Look at this game here. Kenny G, keeping it saxy game. Help Kenny G, the world-renowned saxophone superstar, keep his groove through a hectic day. Work together to overcome uncool events. Detangle those luscious locks and avoid rush hour traffic.